Alright guys, another day, another video, another custom shotgun shell video. This one revolves completely around batteries. What I got here, I got two AA batteries. They're Rayovac. I got one AAA Rayovac. I got one with the button cell batteries, 3 of them. And then I got 2 with these expensive Duracell Ultra Lithium, and they actually fit the best. I mean, they look like they're made to go in here. But that's what we got. I'm gonna take you outside and we're gonna shoot them, see how they do. All right, the first one we're gonna shoot is the Rayovac, the AA. If I can get it in the chamber, yeah. All right. I don't think I hit it. I think it didn't fly straight. Yeah, I definitely didn't hit it. It didn't go straight. Let's try another one. All right, the second one we're gonna try the button cell batteries. Woo. America. Well, that was a hit, but I don't think it penetrated. I think that was a hit. Definitely didn't penetrate it there. So there wouldn't make a good round either. All right, the third one, we're gonna try the AAA battery, the Rayovac AAA. See if we can get any penetration. Woo! That one definitely did a lot better. Yeah, that definitely did some good damage. It blew it in pieces. Alright, we're going to do the second AA Rayovac. Holy crap! That was nice. Alright, for the next test, we're going to use this old DVD player. Alright, for the last one, we're going to shoot the other expensive lithium-ion battery. Oh, that one started to fire. Alright, that was definitely a direct hit. Oh man, it went straight through. I definitely think the Duracells won the battery challenge. Alright guys, as you can see, the Duracell battery, the lithium ion, it won. It definitely did the most damage. If you like my video, subscribe below, give me a thumbs up, appreciate it. Check out my other videos. Have a good day. Bye.